recently I've had some people say that the tri-tip, which is this, and the picanha, which is this, are the exact same thing. Well, I'm here to tell you the picanha and the tri-tip are not the same thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tri-tip into the picanha's world, and later on I'm going to put the picanha into the tri-tip's world. Later on, maybe another month from now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the silver skin off of the tri-tip, and we're going to season it up just like we would the picanha. And I'm even going to put a piece of this on the skewer, on the rotisserie. And of course, we'll put this on the rotisserie as well. I'm even going to slice a couple steaks on this, slice a couple steaks of the tri-tip, and we're going to see what we can get. This tri-tip actually came from Four Rivers Barbecue. I did a review of Four Rivers Barbecue, and when I was there, the manager was so nice enough to give me a tri-tip and also a bottle of some rub. So I appreciate that. Thanks to Four Rivers Barbecue in Winter Garden, Florida for this tri-tip, and that's where it came from. And if you guys are in Winter Garden, check them out. They're real popular around here. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to trim all the silver skin up off this, and then we'll be back to season up the meat and cut it up. I went ahead and I used my my smaller knife to get some more of the silver skin off there. It worked out just fine. Another way that you can tell a tri-tip from picanha is a tri-tip is a lot more skinnier. It's not as big. I mean, it's bigger than a tri-tip. I mean, than a picanha. Let's back out here. See that? Also, the fat cap is a dead giveaway when it comes to a picanha. Look at that. Okay, see if we can get this fat cap. See that fat cap? That fat cap it's smooth, it's hard, and it goes almost the entire side. Now, if the fat cap looks like this, it's kind of disheveled and kind of rough, and it's kind of got the silver skin on here, well, that is a tri-tip. Okay? You can definitely tell the difference. And tri-tip also has grains running a different way. The grains are running this way. So when I cut the steaks, I'm going to cut them against the grain. I'm going to try to get a piece that I can be able to skewer, and also cut some off here for steaks. So picanha, we're going to slice against the grain right here. This over here is the best part. This is Pitmaster Privilege. This is the corazon. So I'm only going to cut two pieces because I'm going to put one of the pieces from the tri-tip onto the skewer with the picanha. There we go. There's the two pieces for the spit. Cut the spit over here, just off camera. Now I'm gonna slice some steaks. So now I'm gonna try to find a good piece I can cut off here that will go onto the spit. I'm probably just gonna go right across here. Going against the grain. Right here. I think this piece here looks pretty good. Then just kind of cut it down. There we go. Put that onto the spit. There we go. I might be able to get two pieces on there. I'll give it a try. So, first one I put on there, just spit, is this one. Fold these things over like that. Tri-tip on there. It's a little bit thicker, but there's no way I can get a real nice piece on there. There we go. The middle piece is going to be the tri-tip. And lastly, going to get this other piece on there. I might go get another piece right here. So there we go. Every other piece is tri-tip. So I got picanha, tri-tip, picanha, tri-tip. Here we go. Gonna slice these into steaks, about yay big. I'm gonna salt these just right before. You want to salt picanha right before you put it onto the grill. Alright y'all, just want to share something with you. I had a company called Grill Heat Aid reached out to me, and they sent me out one of their barbecue toolkits to try out. So when this company here reached out to me, I told them, you know, there's no promises. I'll take a look. As soon as I opened it, I was like, wow, this is really, really nice. So this is what you get. It's 10 pieces. You get a spatula, you get a scrubber, you get a nice pair of tongs right there. Hold on, what's this? Hold on, there's something here. Something there you ain't supposed to see. Okay, there. Y'all ignore that, what you just seen. Okay. Then we got some skewers up here. Yeah, I think there's 6 skewers up here with some forks and also a brush. So I'm gonna leave a link if you guys are interested in this. You get 10% off one of these kits. And I'm also, and so it comes in a nice aluminum case as well. It's really nice. I'm giving away, in my giveaway I'm doing for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, I'm gonna give away 3 of these. So now 3 of these is also added into the 5 knives I'm giving away. So there's gonna be 8 winners. So I shared that with y'all. It's pretty cool. All right, so here's my setup. So the wind is coming from a south to north direction. So I put this brick sideways so the wind comes in. Okay, then put this one up top so the heat still filters up through there. Then right here, I turned one of these on this side in case the wind shifts and it comes this direction, which is I've been doing this morning. I'm about to throw some more wood on. See, also just take this right through here and just feed this more wood. There we go. That's it. By the way, I'm using pear wood and oak wood. Coruscant. That's about done. So here's the coruscant right there. I'm gonna cut into that sucker. That's so good. This is also just this little sample piece. So. So see if they can tell the difference between taste between this one and this one. Taste that? Okay. Overcooked a little bit. Okay. Hold on. Are you ready for this one? Try that one. That one's a lot more juicier.
Okay, so the first one, is just hard, and not as juicy as the second. That's pretty much what I can. It tastes the same to me.
Okay. So your mother knows the difference. All right. So I don't know how much of that taste test got recorded, but on one side I had picanha. I overcooked. The steaks were a little thin. I kind of overcooked those, and then the other side was the tri-tip. My wife, my son, and me, we both liked the tri-tip steaks that beat picanha. But right now, I have everything on the skewers right here. I had to switch cameras because my other one overheated, so I had to come over here and get my other camera. But I'm about to take this off and cut some of that off. Okay, see right here I've got that's picanha, tri-tip, picanha, tri-tip, just like that. All right, y'all, now it's time for the taste test for what's on the spit. I only got my wife down here. I guess my son gave up on me.
No, I think he's coming.
You coming?
Well, he was eating lunch.
Okay, try that. I can tell you what it is.
I know. I think I know which one this is by just the feel and the texture of it. I think I know which one that is.
Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, try that piece right there.
I can tell by the texture.
Okay, wait, what was the first one?
I want to say the first one is the
Picanha?
the picanha.
You're right. It is picanha. First one is picanha.
I can tell by the texture and the taste of it. Okay.
And here's a bigger piece of picanha. Picanha's over here on this side, and this is tri-tip right here. So, I'm thinking, I'm gonna try it too.
That tri-tip's pretty darn good too.
Yeah, the tri-tip is a good piece of steak.
But you can tell the difference in the picanha because it's a different texture, and it's just freaking phenomenal.
That tri-tip is good, but here's that picanha right here.
You did a really great job on the tri-tip as well.
I was just on myself. Holy crap.
Okay. Another piece of that picanha?
Oh, here you go. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
Okay, now that I cut it off, take a little more salt. Just gonna dust over it. My wife doesn't like a lot of salt, so I just don't put a whole lot of salt on there. Just gonna dust it on there. There we go. A little more salt. Let that cook. All right, so I'm taking this piece of tri-tip off. That's probably pretty much done for. And I'm gonna slice some more of this picanha off. So I'm about to get the rest of this cut off here, okay? Got picanha left, tri-tip, picanha. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of this cut off. But I'll go with my final thoughts. If you're doing the winner, the decisive winner, well, we only have 3 people, so there's only 3 votes. So take it for what you want. So 3-0, steak-wise, it would be tri-tip. On a spit, on a skewer, slicing it off by big time would be picanha. So if you cook picanha, I'd probably suggest doing it on a spit. However, I am going to put picanha into the realm. I'm gonna put it with, I'm gonna cook it like you would a tri-tip. I'm gonna reverse sear it one day. Like, subscribe. I appreciate you all from joining me and watching this video today, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao.